Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use set data action, which is a part of work queue VBO. Set data action is used to update or add more information to work queue in Blue Prism. Set data allows you to save or commit data from collection to queue. For example, we have this Excel file and I'm going to add these data to queue. And let's say I have one more column here, that is total. So this field we have, and total means we are going to calculate this unit cost multiply by quantity. So it will multiply and it will enter here. We are not going to directly do the total. On the runtime, we will update the data to work queue. So your work queue will have these columns including this total also. But in the total you will not have data. Only on runtime it will multiply these two fields of value and then it will update to the queue itself. Now let me add a few items to queue. So we'll go to this, we'll add these items. So right click, set next stage, and right click on the end and click on run to this stage. So now you can see we have added 10 items to queue. You can go here and right click, refresh, and you can see here now we have 10 records we just now added. Now I'm going to show you how to update value to queue, how to set data to queue. So we'll go to our work queue view, this here. So to update the queue item, that value, first we need to get next item one by one, and then on runtime we need to update, right? So we have this get next item. Let me just move. Now after processing these records, I'm going to make the total. So how can we do that? So let me first and delete this one. Take one calc stage, and this calc stage we are going to use to multiply unit cost and quantity. So we'll take this queue collection because we are getting this data from get next item and we are storing here. So double click here and total amount something will write here. So queue collection, let me take the column name. So we have unit cost. So queue collection dot unit cost multiply quantity. So we'll update here quantity. So we are going to multiply these two fields of value and then we'll store in one field. So that is, let me take this queue collection dot and we are going to update this to our collection, that is total. You can see we are going to add this total. Now these are currently text. We need to convert this to number. So we'll take here one two number. Let me click here two number and then take this value here and paste here. Same way we'll cut this and we'll paste here and then right. Now we are going to store here. Now click OK. Now after calculation we are going to take one action stage, double click on that, and we'll take here work queues and we'll select set item and we'll select set data, and here we need to pass that collection which we are going to update. So set data accept only the collection of data which matched with this item ID. So we'll pass this item ID and we'll update the same collection, this one, because we are storing this data here in the same collection. So one by one data will get in the collection, we'll store here and then we'll set the data to queue. And if you want to check that the data has been set to that specific queue item or not, so for that, after this set data, what we can do, we can take one more action stage and in that one we'll use work queues and then get item data. Get item data will give you a collection of data against that item ID. So we'll pass the same item ID and now we'll store this in the updated queue, and then we'll see that we have data updated in our queue or not. This one, and link this, right click, set next stage, step over, step over. Now we have this queue collection, and you can see here in this we have one total got item. Yes, now total amount, so it will calculate that and it will store to this collection, and you can see here now we have amount that is 75. So 5 multiply 15, that is 75. Now we are going to set this data, this 75, to the queue. So we'll run this. Now using this set data action, we have updated our queue. Now step over, we have just used get item data to get the updated information from the queue. Now you can see here in this one, now we are getting this. So get item data is giving us the data from queue. So based on this we can understand, okay, data has been set to queue. After running this get item data, if you are not getting value in this total, it means your set data didn't work. And now we have just completed this. Now again, and now you'll see here, once I will run this part, so we'll have the updated value here also, right? Now let me run this, and you can see now in this one, now we are getting 117, and here this is collection, same amount, right? So by this way you can use set data action to update the data to queue. I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please share with your friends in your group. Thank you.
If you want to learn UiPath RPA, then you can visit my YouTube channel youtube.com/UiPathRPA. If you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy, so I have created one course for Blue Prism RPA complete course on Udemy. So you can go there and you can purchase that course and you can get the certificate from there. I will enter the referral code and the link in the video description. You can go through that. I hope you like that one. Thank you so much for watching this video.